Pretty remarkable temperatures right now for the time of day. Let's start off with the weather watchers. 61 degrees for Chucky and Lewis, 57 with Ted and Millsboro, and it's a mild 61 degrees with Bob and Diane in Smyrna. So lower to mid 60s right now. It's 66 in Wallops Island. So we've got a mild night out there and winds coming in out of the south and west, not only pumping in some warmer air, but it's keeping the atmosphere mixed tonight. Look at that, a 35-mile-per-hour wind gust reported at Wallops Island. A lot of clutter right now on the radar locally, but if we switch to the higher resolution radar, you'll see it's not as widespread, but we do have a few sprinkles that may be making it into portions of Somerset County, for example, maybe parts of Wycomico County. But rainfall will become more widespread in the coming hours, within the next 1 to 2 hours, I'd say, with this cold front. Now, you see a lot of lightning out here. I think this density is going to decrease as it comes towards the peninsula, but could there be a rumble of thunder later on tonight? Sure, but I don't think it's especially likely. But we will have some rain showers within the next couple of hours at around 1 a.m. I expect a few showers to start to blossom across the peninsula. And then we'll have some scattered showers for at least a few hours for tonight. This is at 4 a.m. with that cold front pushing on through. The good news is that the rain should be out here in time for Sunday morning. This is at 8 a.m. Just some clouds mixing with that sunshine, but the sunshine will win the battle, and we should be left with sunny skies tomorrow. With a gusty breeze, though, it's going to be a windy day, and temperatures likely starting off in the lower 60s during the morning, but with colder air rushing in, we're likely falling through the 50s during the afternoon hours, and it certainly will be a breezy day out there. In fact, downright windy. We've got gale warnings for all of our water sides, the Atlantic Ocean, the Chesapeake Bay, and the Delaware Bays. We could see some wind gusts between 30 and 40 miles per hour at times, and probably exceeding 40 miles per hour at times during the afternoon. I definitely will not be surprised by that. Monday's going to be a breezy day as well, but probably not as strong of wind gusts still. Some gusts up to 30 miles per hour will be possible throughout the day on Monday. So bank on Sunday and Monday being some pretty breezy days, but then the winds will be subsiding by the time we get to Tuesday. Now, of course, these winds are going to bring in some vastly cooler temperatures, likely stuck in the 40s for the majority of Monday, if not all day on Monday. But the temperatures are set to rebound by the time we get to the end of this upcoming week. By the end of the week into the following weekend, we should see the return of 60s for high temperatures. So tonight will be mild. We'll be down into the 50s with those scattered showers later in the overnight. Then for tomorrow, mostly sunny skies with falling temperatures through the course of the afternoon hours. The warmest temperatures likely occurring during the morning hours. Lower 60s for the morning, and then into the afternoon, we're dropping through the 50s, but we're going to have an abundance of sunshine, but it is going to be a breezy day out there. Still breezy on Monday, but winds probably not as strong as what we will be seeing for Sunday. Still, though, chilly temperatures, a high temperature of only 50 degrees, probably getting a few more clouds into the mix on Tuesday, and then a weak low disturbance probably brings in a small chance for showers Tuesday night into Wednesday, and Wednesday's probably going to be a mostly cloudy day, but I think it's going to be a dry day. There's a slight chance for a passing shower on Thursday with partial sunshine, a high temperature of 60. We're up to 66 degrees on Friday, but with quite a bit of cloud cover. And then it looks like a front's going to kick on through later Friday night into Saturday morning with another chance for some showers. And then Saturday should be dry with partial sunshine, a high temperature of 65 degrees.